Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to schedule a tweet on the Twitter mobile app, okay? So, no, you cannot use Twitter app on your phone. No, it will not work. Elon Musk does not care about you, okay? First and foremost, you have to go to the browser, okay? Just make sure you go to any browser that you want to use. I use Edge because Edge is the best, okay? And once you go to x.com, you're going to want to sign into your account. All right. And once you sign into your account here, all right, you can go make a tweet. We can say, hello, techies. We on YouTube dog. You know what I'm saying? And put a dog there just because, right? And then we can go to schedule right here, right? We can do August 3rd, 2026. What is it? It's 9 o'clock. 9. Dang. They're like, yo, what you doing? All right, let's do 11. You know what I'm saying? And then we can confirm, okay? And there you go. We'll send on Monday, 9/11. Wait. Okay. 9:11 p.m., right? It's going to do it. All right. So it's going to schedule. Oh man. Schedule. There we go. So now the tweet's going to be made, okay? So it's the coolest thing in the world. It's going to do it, and you can do it on mobile here, okay? Twitter, X, whatever it is, you can only do it on the browser. Okay, let's say you sign on to Twitter and Twitter does not allow you to go in. It takes you back to the mobile app. You're losing your mind. You're like, why does it keep taking me back to the Twitter app? Well, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to the Twitter app here, okay, and go to your app settings in the Twitter app, and you're gonna have to set as default app and open supported links. Take that out, okay? So once you take that out, it should just take you straight to the Edge website browser of X, okay? And then it's going to work for you, okay? And if it doesn't show you correctly, you can always go to the settings on your browser and go to mobile site, okay? There's mobile site, which are on a mobile site here, so this works. You don't have to go to the desktop site. So it should have made the tweet here. We're gonna go to it and see what the tweet does. Wait, Batista talks to becoming Kratos. Oh no! Why are they trying to make Batista bomb Kratos? And okay, this is okay. Back to profile. Okay. All right, and then there's the tweet right there. Hello, techies. We on YouTube, dog. You know what I'm saying? It worked. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.